Hello and welcome to CAD-SHEEKSHA. This will be our welcome window lecture on Staad-pro. So whenever you will click on Staad-pro v8i icon, this icon, you can see this window popping up on your screen. This window has couple of small windows which you can use as you want to. So first is project task. Basically, project task consists of couple of things you can use again and again, like new project whenever you want to start a new project or new file, open project when you want to open an existing file, open from project wise, then configuration, backup manager, and license management. Configuration is basically you can configure all the default settings in Staad-pro before starting your new file. Next is recent files. This is basically the window where you can see what the recent files you have been working on. Like here we have different steel towers, also one overhead water tank. This is a blank file, I guess. Okay, so this is a recent files. Then there is help topics. Help topics are basically for those who are new to this. You can click on any one of those, and if you are connected to internet, you are good to go. Here you can learn about Staad-pro, learn about different things like structure, geometry and coordinate system, joint coordinate specification, and then we have license configuration. As each country has their own building codes and Staad-pro has like many countries building codes, here you can select which codes you will be using for your design. So I'm keeping every code active, but if you want to, you can just put Indian code active. Then the next is Stad news. This is basically a news feed from the company Bentley. If you are connected to internet, you can see what exactly Bentley is doing right now, what are their upcoming events, and what events they had in past, and all that thing. So basically this is the welcome window. This is the basic window of Staad-pro. You can see that new project, open project, project wise, backup manager, and all in a file tab as well, and you can also see a help tab here. So I will suggest you play with this window a little bit before going into next video. Now once you clicked on configuration window, you can see a new window popping up on your screen. This is basically configure program. There are a couple of tabs. You can select those tab and configure as you want to, but we will select only the basics which will actually create a difference in the files. So first is base unit. Current default base unit is metric, and you can see different types of base units here, English and metrics. So English is basically Pascal and foot, while metric is basically kilonewton and meter. So I will keep it as metric. Next is Stad default design codes. This is very basics, and you should have this configuration before getting into business. Make sure you have this design codes as default design codes. For steel we have IS 800 2007 LSD limit state design. For concrete we have IS 456. For aluminum design, Indian government don't have any codes, and Staad-pro itself has only one code, aluminum US. Then also for timber we have no code, so keep it AITC 1984. And for shear wall we have again IS 456. Background color as you want to, I'll keep it white. Then section profile table, it will be Indian. Click on apply and accept, and now you have configured your window. The next is backup manager. Basically when you are working in Staad-pro, it normally takes like 15 minutes, 20 minutes or hour or 2 hours to complete your drawing, and you know there may be a chances that of electricity failure, or sometimes the program might have a bug. So there is an option in Staad-pro where it will auto save your file after every 5 minutes as you want to. You can change the number of autosave backups. Let's say 10 autosave backups at 10 minutes and click on OK. And here you have done with the backup manager as well. So in next video we will see new project and we will start building one simple project. Thank you.